Okay, we'll be setting our video output. So we go to settings. You go over to videos. Your base camera resolution, that is your PC resolution, should be your PC. And your output scale resolution, it should be the output resolution you want to be recording in. And your downscale filter is just for sampling sake, to be able to capture as many samples as possible, while it is bringing this resolution from 1266 to 1920. And this is our frame per second. So where we put it here, you can see 30 and all the rest. So this is where we set. When we set here, we'll be able to get our output to the to know the exact resolution we are sending out. And in outputs here, this is where we now set our streaming and our recording. So here, the stream, we are sending 2 Mbps of bitrate, which is the standard, the follow-com, the one that it's there, that is default. And our audio bitrate too is 160. However, if we are using the software encoder, you can use the hardware encoder in streaming. It is a preset so that you can control. The lower it is, the more easier, the less bulky it is for your system. The same thing with recording. This is our recording part. Sometimes it's usually in simple, but sometimes it's usually in simple, but you can still change it to advanced to get much more options. And this is our recording quality now, our recording format that we are currently using. We're using software encoder too, and now the track we're using to record is audio track 1. OBS has up to 6 audio tracks, so you have to select the audio track that you want to use. So that is it for. And when you do this, you now come back and right click on your program. When you right click on your program, you can now see, when you come here, full screen projector, you can now see all the, when you extend, you have to extend your PC display to be able to see all the screens that are connected to your laptop. So when you come here, the list of the screens will be shown here. Your laptop screen will be among and other screens. So I'm duplicating now. That is why it is the television distance is together with the laptop screen. But if this is extended, this TV will be here. And when I click on it, it creates its own window display on the screen. And when we come here, we'll be able to see it as a new scene, as a new window. So that is how we arrange our video outputs before we record or do any production that is necessary. Thanks for watching. This is Driym Media Enterprise. Small gear, big production.